And I just feel like every girl once in their life should throw a braid up in their hair, because baby, this is cute. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Foxy, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey. Today we have ourselves another wig install. DolaHair was kind enough to send us this two-tone red 20 inches 180 density closure unit. Before we jump into that video, please don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram. Also, please don't forget to hit that button down below. Now, without further ado, let's jump into this wig install. It is from DolaHair, and within that box, you're going to receive a few things: a card stating what length and what density your wig is, an edge band, an adjustable band, an edge brush, and a razor. Now, this is our wig. She is 20 inches, 180 density. She's a two-tone red kind of wig, and baby girl is real cute, but that hairline is not hairlining. So let's go in and pluck this unit just a little bit. Now, this is a closure unit, so you do not have that much hair to pluck anyway. I just went ahead and parted out a row of hair that I'm most likely going to use for my baby hairs, and I do not want to pluck that. And now we're just going to go in with the tweezers, and girl, your hands just got to move. Do you understand? Do not stay in the same spot, because that is how you create bald spots on your wigs. And let me just tell you, I've done that before, and it's really not cute, you know? So just keep on moving your hands. Do not stay in the same spot. I'm gonna keep repeating that because that is very much so important. Now we're gonna go ahead and pluck the front of the unit. Now I know we parted out that section, so you're not necessarily gonna pluck how you were plucking that line prior. You're just gonna keep on doing the same thing. Keep moving your hands. Do not stay in the same spot. And like I mentioned, this is a closure unit, so we're not going to be here all day. We're pretty much finished. I know you guys see me keep pushing that hairline back, and that's just because I want to make sure that I'm actually doing something. I'm actually plucking this wig, right? And let me just show you guys, this is what she looked like before. Straight across, not cute. And this is what she's looking like after, much better. So let's go. Now putting that unit on our head, this is what our girl is looking like. She's real cute. Hairline is looking much better. Going in with my eyebrow razor, and I'm just cutting that excess lace off that we're not going to use or need. Go ahead and take your time, because I don't know if you're like me, but every time I use a new razor, 9 times out of 10 I cut myself. And then spraying lace spray after a curl, talk about burn. But we didn't do all that today. Putting our unit on that lace spray, you do not need a lot. I only sprayed a layer because this is a closure wig, so all that spray really isn't necessary. Cutting some baby hairs at the temples of this unit. And you guys know me, I do not curl my baby hairs. Just take you an edge brush, swoop, and that's it. Doing the same thing on the other side. And I was really trying to see if my baby hairs were even. 9 times out of 10, they're really not. But as long as we can fake it till we make it, that's cool with me. Now, I was trying to figure out what style I was going to do. And that little toss over was cute. But I feel like I wanted to test my skills a little bit today. So right now, you guys just see me detangling the wig. And then I decided, I think I'm going to do a half up, half down, right? So I went ahead and I made a part. Hot comb that down just so it could be nice and flat, so that when I grip my hair, it's gonna be a real cute half up, half down. Did the same thing to the other side. Mind you, this whole time I'm really thinking I'm gonna do a ponytail, maybe a bun, but something that we've never done before for sure. Girl, I decided to go ahead and braid. Now, can I braid? Absolutely. Have I braided on a wig before? Absolutely not. I don't know if you girls know how to braid. If you would want a more detailed video on how to do so, I can most definitely do that for you. But right now, it's kind of just do as you see, or as I do, whichever floats your boat. And I'm just doing a nice little French style braid. And I was gonna do a ponytail, but yeah, I don't know what it is, but experimenting with new styles while I'm recording is real dangerous for me. So we're not gonna do that. All I went ahead and did was braided this braid back, and then I'm gonna take some hairpins and secure it. And it actually ended up really freaking cute. Now, my braid might not be the neatest, but a nice, you know, cute little messy braid is still real cute. Taking my makeup brush, and I'm just trying to define my parts a little bit. And yeah, see how the scalp is popping out a little bit more? We want it exactly like that. Now going in with my curling iron, and I just want to throw a few curls in my hair. Not super duper curly, but I don't know, I wanted a bit more curls. I think I did 5 curls on each side, and that was pretty much it. And yeah, that's me showing you the difference, going in with my paddle brush, and I'm just gonna detangle out those curls. Honestly, it kind of looked the same as before. Maybe I just wanted to see if the unit can curl, and she definitely held a good curl, so I was happy. And yeah, that is our finished product. Girl, not us doing a braid. And she looked real freaking cute too. Come on, girl, let's go talk about this hair. This is a 20-inch 180 density closure unit. They were kind enough to send me, I want to say, it's giving red velvet, two-tone red. As you guys can see, it is burgundy. And then it goes into this bright fire hydrant red. Now, I was almost considering doing a half up, half down, but if I'm being honest, I feel like I do that a little too much in my videos. And I wanted to try and do something a little bit new, so I was just like, go ahead and throw a little braid in the middle. And that's what we went ahead and did. Hopefully, I can't really see because it's on the top of my head, but hopefully it's looking cute. From what I can see, it's giving cute, so I don't really care. Now, like I mentioned, this is a closure wig. So as you guys can see, it is not ear-to-ear lace. And I kind of like that for my beginners. I feel like these type of units are gonna be your best friend. They're super duper easy to install. Honestly, if you don't even want to glue them down, you do not have to. I just like that security, so I definitely went ahead and secured my unit with my Even lace spray. As far as the lace, I had absolutely no problems melting this into my skin. Look at it. She is most definitely melted. If I'm being honest, I don't think this unit has any cons, y'all. Color is beautiful. The lace was easily melted. It is a closure wig, so it is very beginner friendly. She is 20 inches, so baby girl got some length, you know what I'm saying? And she's 180 density, so she's thick. Not too thick that it's overwhelming, but thick enough. And maybe I can do a more in-depth for my girls that can't really braid, because I think because I can do it, I kind of automatically assume that everybody can, and everybody cannot. So if that's something that you would want me to teach you, just let me know, because this braid right here it's very freaking cute. And I just feel like every girl once in their life should throw a braid up in their hair, because baby, I don't know who the hell I think I am, but I'm somebody. Shout out to DolaHair for sending us this beautiful unit. It was very much so appreciated. Now, that was it for today's video, you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you know when your girl is posting next. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Adios.